Sending money from Stripe to Payoneer is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, go to the web page doula.com. So, let's look at how you can connect Stripe to Payoneer. By doing so, you can streamline your payment method. Hence, here is a quick tutorial by which you can register your Payoneer account. First, go to the Stripe dashboard. Then, select the Balance tab, then followed by Account Settings. Next, choose the Select Bank Account button. So you need to enter Payoneer bank account information. Next, in case you don't know these details, this can be made known from Global Payment Services within your Payoneer account. Doing so, you can send money from Stripe to Payoneer. So Payoneer can simplify cross-border transactions, making it easier for you to do business with international customers and partners. This can lead to increased sales and business expansion.